Okay. So, so here we have the cat as a sprite. Now, first let's try with the cat. Okay. So there are different ways we can change the color, right? If we go to the costumes,
Yeah.
but that is not exactly color. That is
Yeah.
the costume one and costume two. So it's
Yeah.
just feels like it's moving. So that's not it. So we are going to change the color by starting with the events.
One green flag clicked.
When green flag clicked. Okay, let's go to looks. I think
Yeah.
in there we can
Change
change color.
color.
Okay. Okay. So when I clicked it, it automatically changed there.
Yeah.
So we do have multiple options here, but we
Yeah.
are sticking with color. There is a this says if a change color effect by 25, so that we can change the number. I think maybe if I do like 10, it will only yeah, there is not drastic, but it's slowly changing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that fine.
Yeah,
That's
that's better than the 25, I think.
uh-huh. And so if you want the sprite to just keep on changing color, what
We
we'll
need to
do
go
is
to control
uh-huh,
and get the forever.
there it
Yeah.
is. So I'm going to put that blocked out and
And
then
put the change color into the forever.
okay. So now let's start. Go. It's just changing and changing and changing.
Yeah.
So, but it's just sticking with some few colors, is it?
I think I'm not sure. It might be because it's going
Yeah,
like
it's
too
going fast.
fast.
So maybe we should wait for a few seconds. Something should
So
be there.
on the top of it,
Yeah,
yeah.
that one. Yeah. So yeah, wait 1 second. You can actually see the color. So we
Yeah.
have orange, yellow, light yellow. Then yeah,
Lime, green.
yeah,
Oh my gosh.
and blue
I think
shades of
it
blue.
Yeah, I think it's just doing like all the shades of those
Yeah,
colors. I haven't seen the normal cat though. Oh, now yeah.
yeah. So we don't have white or black. I
Yeah.
think rest of the colors are here.
Yeah, I don't think we really need that because if white's there, we'll only be
Yeah,
able to see like the whiskers and like the outline and
yeah,
everything.
yeah. So I think this is good. So this is how we change the color of the sprite, and that too very easily. It's a very few blocks of code. Actually, only four here.
Yeah.
Now let's stop that. Now let's add another sprite and see.
Should we do the ball? Because I know because then we don't have to do those things. We can do it with costumes instead.
Okay,
Do you
let's try
see?
the ball. So in the ball we have, if when you go to the costumes, we can there are like four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total
Yeah.
balls with different colors.
Yeah.
So in this we can actually use. So I'm going to
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
yeah. So again,
One clicked.
yes, when the flag is clicked, and we'll go back to the looks.
Can I?
Yeah, I can do that.
Next costume.
Uh-huh.
So now, yeah, you can see that it changes.
Yes.
But now we want to do the same thing that we did with the cat
Yes, forever.
forever. And
Yes.
now that's way too fast.
So,
So 1 second, maybe?
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
and if you want to reduce the time, you can actually change it into zero point 0.5 seconds. So that,
Oh, I was thinking about that.
yeah. You can give your any number that you want. If you want to increase, you can just put like 10 seconds. Then it will wait for 10 seconds before
Yeah.
changing. just like
which
that.
I feel like is way too long.
Yeah, so zero point 0.5 is a
Yeah, a
good
nice
number.
one.
Yeah. So that's how we change the color of the ball with the costumes. That's also very simple code.
Yeah.
Now what else?
Let's. Should we look at the sprites? I'm just gonna click this so both of them are changing.
Uh-huh.
So it's sprites.
Let's pick a human being. The
So like
first
one
one.
of these.
Yeah.
Abby.
Yeah, let's get
Okay.
Abby. Be-
Where's Abby? Abby.
yeah, she's coming.
Okay.
I think because the code is running, that's why it's a bit slower. So
Okay. Yeah.
just
I'll just
stop
stop
that.
it.
Yeah. Now let's see how we can change because she is wearing multiple colors, right?
Yeah. Green, blue.
Yes. So let's go and check her costume. So it's all green, blue.
Yeah, it's the same,
It's the
just
same.
like with different motions.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I have an idea.
Uh-huh.
So, we could combine both of them together.
Uh-huh.
So,
Let's see.
a green flag clicked.
Mm-hmm.
Looks next costume.
Okay.
Okay,
And
and
maybe you
then
need that,
forever.
no, wait 1 second or,
Let's do the forever
okay.
first. Get that in there, and then wait. Yeah, wait 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then we need to go back to looks
Uh-huh.
and do change color effect by 25.
Okay.
I'll just put yeah right there. I think.
Okay, so
Okay.
so right now what you're doing is when the flag is clicked, the color effect is going to change by 25 and then
Uh-huh.
it's going to change the costume to the
Yeah.
next one and
Yeah.
it will wait for a second and then it will repeat it forever.
Yeah, but
Okay.
first I think we should just see like the color.
Okay. Let's
So
just see
one
that.
clicked.
Oh,
Oh, that's really nice.
yeah.
I'm gonna put the wait 1 second there. Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
It's just so random.
Yeah.
I think the only thing it's yeah, the only thing wait, is it? Is it changing the hair? I can't tell.
Hair is not changing.
Wait, I think it
Oh
just
yeah,
changed, right?
now it changed. I
Yeah.
thought in the beginning it was not changing. So
Yeah.
everything is changing.
Yeah,
What
before
about the shoes are also changing color.
yeah. But for the cat, not everything.
Uh huh.
Okay,
So
let's
wherever there is color, that part is changing.
yeah.
The colors.
Okay, now let's try the next costume.
Mm-hmm.
I think this will look really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I really like that. And we could do that with the cat too, but it won't look as cool.
Uh huh. Because there are only two costumes, and
Yeah.
that's just like it's moving.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
okay. So this was a fun thing to do.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all for today.
Bye bye.
Okay.